In this video, I will show you how to create a brand new YouTube channel from scratch, even if you are a beginner, from creating an account to pro channel settings and customizations. In the end, I will show you that there's a person in this world who is waiting for the exact way you explain, laugh, teach, or tell stories. If you never start, they may never find the hope, relief, or joy your channel could give them. This tutorial gives you step-by-step guides on the YouTube updates of 2025 for 2026 virality. I will also give you the hacks the pro YouTubers hide from everyone, the algorithm friendliness, and the entire YouTube ecosystem. YouTube doesn't care about your degree, your location, or your bank account. If you've got a phone, Wi-Fi, and guts, you've got the same shot as the biggest creators. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, like, and share the video. We want to believe you don't have a YouTube account, so it starts from the basics. YouTube is owned by Google, so you need a Gmail account to create a YouTube channel. So pick up your phone and create a new Gmail account. Go to Gmail, click at the top right-hand corner, go down to Add Another Account. Even if you already have one, we're making a brand new email because our YouTube channel is like our own business, and we want to keep it safe and separate from our personal stuff. Then click Google, then Create Account, then My Work or My Business. Enter your first name and last name, set your birth date and gender, then choose your unique email address and add your password. This password is your 100% business, just make it more secure than regular. Check if your address is good and click Next. Scroll down and agree to Google terms. Your brand new Gmail is ready. Then go over to YouTube. If you are using a browser profile like I am using Google Chrome, it's 2 button clicks away. Just go to youtube.com, click the top right-hand side profile icon and choose Create a Channel. Handles are unique across YouTube, so if someone already has it, you'll need to choose another. But don't worry, both the name and handle can be changed later. Next, upload a profile picture. This will show up as a circle everywhere on YouTube, so make sure it's clear and recognizable. Click Create Channel. Boom! Congratulations, you now officially have a YouTube channel. Don't get it twisted. In my class, no one is a pro. We all learn together. So pump in all those questions, I will attend to them all. Think about yourself 3 years from now. They could either thank you for starting today or curse you for wasting more years on fear and hesitation. Which version do you want to meet? Verify your channel. In order to qualify for uploading longer videos, adding test thumbnails, live streaming, uploading multiple times per day, and being qualified for monetization, you must verify your channel first. Alright, go to YouTube Studio at the bottom left, then to Settings, to Channel. Under Basic Info, choose Country of Residence, then go over to Feature Eligibility and to the middle intermediate feature, then click Verify by Phone Number. Google will send you a 6-digit code as SMS. Enter the code here and you're unlocked. This is an essential step for you to be eligible for custom thumbnails, live streaming, posting videos longer than 15 minutes. Then come down to advanced features, live selfie video or ID card verification. This is essential so you can add external links in video descriptions, create more live streams daily, post more shorts daily, test and compare different thumbnails, upload multiple videos daily, be eligible to apply for monetization. Alright, click Access, then choose which you want, either the live video or snap your ID. For the sake of this tutorial, I choose 6 seconds live video. I click Get Email and the link sent to my phone. Just click the link and follow the on-screen instructions to verify. Step 4. Upload defaults and settings. Still in Settings, go to Upload Defaults. In Visibility, set to private or unlisted, never straight to public. You'll want time to add your title, description, and thumbnail first. You need to allow YouTube algorithm time to read through and understand your video before making it public. In Comments, choose moderation level. If you expect trolls, set to strict. Otherwise, basic works fine. In Audience, mark whether your channel is made for kids or not. This is required by YouTube law. Set this once here so you don't need to answer in every upload. YouTube will shadow ban your video if you didn't mark this part. Under Permissions, you can invite team members to help manage your channel. They'll only have access to the channel, not your entire Google account. Step 5. Filter spams in comments. Go to Community Moderation, then Content Control. Set messages in your chat to basic, and then under Block Words, add all the spam words you know. If you don't know many, just copy my own list. Step 6. Set your channel SEO and discoverability. The algorithm is not a human. It doesn't know you in person. It only works with the information, tags, and hashtags you put in your settings to discover what your channel is about and which viewers to recommend your videos to. Open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Use these materials I am providing from YouTube competitor channels to generate my own channel description, hashtags, and tags for my brand new channel, Befty Tutorial. While typing, make sure you change the channel name, Befty Tutorial, to your own channel. Then go to YouTube. Find competitor channels by either typing your niche name or searching for viral topics in your niche. Copy video descriptions, tags, and hashtags from 4 or 5 top-performing channels and paste them right after the prompt. ChatGPT will then go through them and create yours. You must not mix things up here. The niche and channel details must be very clear and unique, so the algorithm doesn't get confused. If the algorithm gets confused, it will stop recommending your videos. Without recommendations, your videos will have low visibility. Low visibility equals low views, and low views equals slow or even dead growth. Step 7. Customize your channel. Go to customization. Basic info. Add your channel description. Focus on the value you provide viewers, not just your personal story. You can copy your competitors, then tweak it to suit yourself. Add keywords and links to your social media or website if you have one. Branding. Upload a banner. Make sure the important parts are centered so it looks good on mobile, computer, and TV. If you don't know how to make banners, check out my tutorial video for YouTube banners. Add a watermark in the bottom corner of your videos. This acts as a subtle subscribe button and helps you grow subscribers very fast. Layout. Once you upload videos, you can customize how they appear on your channel homepage. Remember, your branding should be catchy, making viewers think immediately, this channel is for me. Step 8. Security and monetization prep. Turn on two-factor authentication for extra account protection. You'll need this if you plan to monetize. In the Earn tab, you can track your progress toward monetization. As of 2026, the requirements are 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. There's also a new lower tier of monetization with fewer requirements, but it doesn't unlock ad revenue. Only fan funding and some tools. Step 9. Your first upload. Now you're ready for the most important part, making videos. Here are the pro tips before you upload. Be focused and ask yourself, who should watch my videos and why? Curiosity and emotion beat just SEO. Tell stories, spark interest, make viewers feel emotional. Titles and thumbnails are the packaging. Spend time on them, even before filming. A good product on the shelves without good and attractive packaging will make shoppers skip it. That's how YouTube is. Then, after that, just press record or get your stock clips. Don't wait for perfection. Every big creator you admire uploaded cringe videos at the start. They only got great because they kept showing up. The truth is, the algorithm doesn't kill beginners. Quitting does. In YouTube Studio, check the audio library for free music and sound effects. These are safe to use without copyright issues. Copyright music or sound effects are allowed on YouTube, but you can't monetize them, just like this one. You now have everything set up. Account, channel, branding, security, and verification. All that's left is to create the real videos and make the world feel you. If you aren't a graphic artist or don't have someone to design thumbnails for you, check out my video, How to Make Viral Thumbnails for YouTube Videos. And also, for pro YouTuber banners, watch this video, How to Make Perfect YouTube Banner Without Being a Pro. One day, people may remember your channel as the thing that made them laugh when they were broken, taught them a skill that changed their career, or gave them hope when they were lost. That's bigger than subscribers. That's impact.